Welcome to another day in the life of a 15-year-old entrepreneur. I'm going to be making these kind of videos every single day now, so if you guys want to tune in and see these kind of videos, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the link down below to check my free school community as well. And yeah, so let's get straight into it. So I woke up at 5 a.m, went straight to the toilet, washed my face, went straight to prayer, and now I'm going to hit a quick deep work session. Show you guys inside that. So that was actually a really great call with the lad. He was a nice lad from the UK. His name's Max Elliott, and yeah, it just closed him. It was actually a discovery call. It wasn't an onboarding call. It was a discovery call. It was just helping him go to school community. And then I'm like, okay, this guy's got potential. I can help him more with his school community, and I can help him grow his business. And in the end, we got him into the paid community, lads. Got him into the paid community. Let's go. It's what 6 a.m. and we've already made a sale. Yeah. How are you, bro? How are you?
I'm good, man.
Nice, man. So you started a community and you got a video. Make sure that you're going to be giving them the step-by-step process on how to exactly do that. Okay, and the next thing is you want to have like 2 or 3 lines that create a sense of urgency. So basically in my case, it's a 7-day. Crossed out a nice social media post to my client, our therapy client. I'll show you guys this post in a second. It's actually a pretty banger post. And one more big thing I crushed in my deep work session, I actually networked with a guy who's got a 9-figure business. He's 29 years old, his name's Terry. I found him in a school community called Max Premium. I've invested into that, but he's got a 9-figure business and he's willing to help me for free. And I'm gonna jump on a call with him tomorrow. I think it's 6 a.m. my time. But yeah, pretty stoked for that. I just did some nice networking, answered all my DMs. I had like 30 DMs when I woke up and made a social media post for my client. And I also closed the DM, so it's before 7:30. I'm actually gonna have some breakfast now, get some sunlight. Yeah, it's a great start to the day. Alright lads, now my next deep work session is actually gonna be not a really big one. It's not gonna be that. It's gonna be quite enjoyable actually, because I'm gonna be looking at Iman Gadi's old videos, like looking at what he was making. I'm gonna take notes, what kind of videos he was making, what he was including in his videos, because I'm gonna start to make those kind of videos now for my YouTube channel, documenting my journey while also making valuable content. And I reckon that's gonna get me the most engagement, because I want to create authenticity. I want to create raw content, not as edited as content like what Hamza used to do back in the day. Just creating more raw content, creating a true following. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna analyze people's content, take some notes, take some screenshots of what they're doing, and yeah, I'll just show you guys into a sneak peek of how I'm doing that. So that's here's the setup. So you guys can see I have my notes there. Apple Notes. I just use Apple Notes. It's pretty simplistic. I've used All Notion. I've used Obsidian. It's just too much complicated shit. Like too much shit you gotta worry about. But just Apple Notes. All you gotta do is just got your folders there. You make a note, whatever. It's as simple as that. That's why I like to stick with Apple Notes. It's as simple as it gets. And then as you guys can see over here, you got his Iman Gadi videos. I got told from a friend to watch after the Conjugate episode, so I'm gonna try and watch it for me. See what kind of videos he was making, the thumbnails he was using, like not even just the thumbnails, like what kind of content he was just putting in his videos. Yeah, like see the title, how does it relate to the video, to see what his videos are even about, and then try and replicate that content. So I just had 2 sales calls today, and I closed 2 sales. I closed both of them. So I've made over $100 already from closing sales. And let me check the time. It's only 9 a.m. 9 a.m. I've closed 2 sales calls. I've uploaded 2 Instagram Reels. I've uploaded an Instagram Reel to my personal branding page. I've uploaded a YouTube short. I'm working on some courses. I've made a post to my client, and it's only 9 a.m. and I've absolutely crushed it so far. Still got another 12 hours left in the day for me. Today's gonna be a long day. I got a call at 10:30 p.m, which is way past my bedtime, with a guy named Igor. I'll show you guys that call as well. But yeah, absolutely amazing day so far. Let's get some more shit done. I'm gonna get into recording some courses now. So I'm recording a business course right now, Entrepreneur Accelerator course. If you guys want to get access to that course, it's 9 chapters long, and each video, like 10 videos in each chapter. Each video is like half an hour long. And if you guys want access to that course, then I'm gonna put the link down below under this video. You guys can check that out from there.
Goes in the camera, records what he does on a day,
exactly.
Right, and then literally just time lapse. If he's gonna say that, look,
got Taylor here, nice coaching call with Taylor, Aaron coaching him.
Yeah.
Just completed my 3rd deep work session of the day. Just completed so much already today. You can see from the smile on my face, it's probably one of the most productive days I've had this year. I recorded a few videos for my Entrepreneur Accelerator course, which I'm making for the premium community. I recorded a few modules on that. I'm gonna get back at it again. But yeah, one tip I have for you guys, if you guys are recording courses, I recommend recording longer videos. A minimum 10 minutes. I recommend getting longer videos out there. The longer the video, the better. The more thorough the explanation, right? The more thorough the explanation, the more value you give. And ultimately, at the end of the day, people are paying for value. So the more value you can give, the better. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do with my courses. Trying to like add on some extra information. If I find some extra information, I'll add in my course. I'll tell a story, a personal story. Just, find a way to make each video longer. Because one video I just recorded just 40 minutes. I was just speaking for 40 minutes. Now my throat's absolutely killing me right now. I'm gonna have a glass of water with a bit of salt in it, fix that with my throat. But yeah, just record longer courses if you are trying to make courses. Because those 2-3 minute I hate them, right? I absolutely hate them. Just put some more value. Just put some more value in there, right? And yeah, I just recorded that. I'm actually gonna go and have lunch now. So have some lunch. It's already prepared. Get a strategy call with Aaron, and then yeah, hit a quick workout, go and train for cricket, and then straight back at it again. Just walking back home from a nice session I had. Just worked on some bowling. Just getting better at batting. Just back in the nets after a while because it was actually raining for a while. But yeah, going back home now after 2.5 hour session. Got to get straight into a call. I have an onboarding call. I think Aaron's taking that. Got to get straight to that, and then I got a coaching call afterwards. So yeah, busy schedule today. Yeah. Get some content for my YouTube video. But yeah, let's start the call. Aaron, share your screen and let's get it up and started. Yeah. Okay. You guys achieved your goals today?
Here's this one.
We've come to the end of the day today. It was an absolutely long day today. Completed a shit ton of stuff today. And just like I said, it was probably one of the most productive days of the year. I've made over 300 bucks today. Done some social media work for my client. Closed a few clients for my school community. Now I'm going to upload this vlog to my channel in a few minutes after I record this, make a thumbnail, complete everything. But yeah, long day today. It's actually still 9 p.m. my time and I have a call in 1 hour. It's going to be a late night tonight. I don't know, my sleep schedule's going to be messed up, but it's worth the grind. I wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. See you tomorrow, lads.